Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix upload problems in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click the Create button in the top right corner of YouTube Studio and a menu drops down with Upload and Live Stream options. You'll see Upload Videos at the top, followed by Go Live and Schedule Stream below it. Select Upload Videos from that menu to open the Upload dialog where you can drag files or browse for them. The dialog shows a large drop zone in the center with a blue Select Files button underneath. Click Select Files and choose a video file from your computer. If you accidentally pick an image file or other unsupported format, YouTube rejects it immediately with an invalid file format error. You'll see a red warning message appear in the Upload dialog telling you the file type isn't supported. Click Select Files again to open the file picker and try a different file. This time, choose a supported video file. MP4, MOV, or AVI all work, and the Upload dialog closes as YouTube starts processing your video. You'll see an Upload Progress bar appear, showing the percentage completed. The Video Details page opens automatically where you can add a title, description, and thumbnail, while the upload continues in the background. The title field is highlighted by default, ready for you to type. Once processing finishes, a video player preview renders in the dialog showing your uploaded content ready to publish. If your upload keeps failing even with a supported format, the file may be corrupted. Try playing it in your local media player to confirm it works before uploading. YouTube supports MP4, MOV, IVI, WMV, FLV, and several other video formats. The file picker shows all compatible types when you browse. Very large files can time out on slower connections, so if an upload stalls partway through, try compressing the video to a smaller size before uploading again. That's how to fix upload problems in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.